Happy Friday! Nespresso. So I got these new ones off Amazon. Barista Creations Bianco Doppio. Doppio, I don't know. Oh, it's not locked all the way, duh. 2. And see, it turns blue for iced coffee. So I actually picked out some different creamers from Safeway. This is the salted caramel, so. When I take this out, watch this, watch this. Oh my gosh, it throws it in the garbage disposal. And a bunch can like accumulate in there and then I can throw them away. Wow! We're gonna do another double shot. So I won't lie, I didn't really know what I was doing, obviously. Like, these are amazing, but I do want to get more pods that are actually for taller glasses. These are literally just double espresso like shots. But there's pods that are bigger that are actual cups of coffee, so I'm just new to all this. It's caramely and, oh, why is it? This is supposed to be, it's like brown. Is it supposed to be brown? Am I retarded? Is your salted caramel brownish? Am I just tripping? Like what? Anyways, whatever, I guess. Uh-oh. Stuffing. That's good. Okay, so this is the bomb diggity. Ooh, except for I forgot. Yeah, the nespresso machine. It's my prime era. Okay, coffee it up today now.